Hi, my name is Michael Nwaeri. I'm from McMaster University, and I'm here to talk to you about the solar thermochemical water splitting process for hydrogen production. This is a new energy efficient production process that will revolutionize the next few decades. So let me give you a quick overview about the process. You have the three fan-like images at the top of the screen are our solar plants, and we have a reactor and sun. So basically, the sun rays are directed at the reactor once once they are concentrated by the solar fields, and then inside this reactor there are catalysts that help produce the oxygen byproduct and the hydrogen, which is a key energy source for the future, for energy of the future. I don't want to dwell too much on the process or the chemistry, but this is the gist of it. So the main raw material used in this process is the water, which is natural and free. So this process is very efficient. So why hydrogen? Well, hydrogen is accepted as one of the cleanest available fuel source. It's non-toxic, odorless, and it has a high energy to volume ratio, which means that it can produce a lot of energy, which that's what it simply means. And the major driving force behind this is climate change, as alternative energies are in higher demand based on the climates and global warming. So it's a very important energy source. Let's look at the pros and cons of hydrogen as a source of as a solar fuel. Basically, with any new technology, there are going to be cons, and these cons may seem very big at first, but with a lot of smart people and lots of intelligent people working on the same problem, it will be easy to solve not easy to solve per se, but the next 10, 20, 30 years, like, these problems will seem quite minute. So I don't want to dwell on that too much. Let's look at the pros. No, zero greenhouse gas. This is a major factor, a major pro for hydrogen as a solar fuel. Reusable catalyst. That means you don't need to continue buying raw material. You don't waste raw materials. As I said earlier, it's most energy producing fuel source. So most energy dense per unit mass of fuel in technical terms. So why hydrogen? Well, hydrogen is not a new energy source. In 1939, it was used for generators, and shortly after that, spacecrafts were equipped with fuel cells aboard them. Forklifts were then used in the manufacturing industries with fuel cells, submarines, and now in 2018, there are fuel cell vehicles mass produced by Toyota, actually manufactured in Quebec, not too far away from here. These are fully competent vehicles that can compete with the traditional combustion engines. So if I haven't convinced you yet of how amazing hydrogen as a fuel cell could be, well, look at the numbers. Revenues, $220 million. Employment of over 1,000 new jobs. Research partnerships, demonstration projects, strategic alliance. Lots of money being spent on research and development. Right now, the market overview shows that hydrogen production is at 21%, but we need to get this to at least 38% if we hope for this to be the energy of the future. So I hope you guys are now convinced, and you guys can start enlightening your friends and family on how hydrogen can be used for the energy of the future. Thank you.